How to use Wise API. Go to wise.com/business and sign up for a business account if you don't already have one. Log in with your account and navigate to settings, then select API tokens to create a new API key. Save your API token securely. You'll need to connect your application to Wise. Set your development environment by installing Wise's official SDK or prepare for API calls with standard HTTP requests. Include your API token in the authorization header of your request. Use the API to create recipient profiles by sending the necessary details like currency and account info. Add funds to your Wise balance programmatically through the API to prepare transfers. Initiate money transfers by providing recipient ID, amount, currency, and transfer purpose via the API. Fund your transfer via the API by selecting a source like your balance. Track the status of your transfers by polling the API periodically until completion. Subscribe.